Imagine the Earth is humming a tune, but no one knows where it's coming from. So get this, our planet makes a constant low-frequency hum, a deep vibration felt worldwide. Scientists have been studying it for decades, but its exact origin remains a mystery. Is it the pounding surf crashing against distant shores, or maybe the rumbling shifts deep within the Earth's core? Or could it be something else entirely, a phenomenon we haven't even begun to understand? The hum is real, it's persistent, and it's one of Earth's most baffling secrets. What do you think is causing the Earth's hum? Share your theories in the comments.